There are many reasons why the Inbody 270 is the most popular body composition analyzer. Easy to use, compact and mobile. The Inbody 270 packs a punch. It is endowed with a patented SMFPI technology using multiple frequencies to measure a number of parameters with Inbody's trademark accuracy, precision and reproducibility. Starting with a breakdown of total body water, protein and minerals. The Inbody 270 result sheet focuses sharply on the fat composition, giving you the percentage body fat, a detailed segmental fat analysis, even to the extent of isolating the visceral fat levels. It assesses your weight closely, focuses on the musculature and gives you a detailed segment-wise analysis of your lean mass. For the experts, the Inbody 270 throws up a number of research parameters such as fat-free mass, BMR, waist-hip ratio, obesity degree and recommended calorie intake. All the data on the Inbody 270 is assimilated in the cloud through our highly secure HIPAA certified data management software and can be accessed anytime through the patented Look Inbody web. The Inbody 270 is designed to please, delightful to behold, and built to last. Add to this a strong Team India dedicated to delivering the very best support and service. And you know why Inbody 270 is the most popular body composition analyzer of all time.